Alex, and I am playing the American wife.
I'm Allison, and I'm playing the manager and the doctor.
Sup, I'm Kelsey, and I'm going to be playing Alex's husband.
Hi, I'm Marisa, and I play the narrator. There were only 2 Americans stopping at the hotel. Their room was on the 2nd floor facing the sea. The American wife stood at the window looking out. Outside, under their window, she spotted a cat crouched underneath a dripping green table.
I'm going down to get that kitty.
Kitty?
What kitty? That one right there. Can't you see it?
Go read a book.
No, I'm going outside.
As the frustrated woman stormed out of the room, the American husband calmly lied down to read after grabbing a beer. He was used to this and figured she would return within the hour. When she stepped out of the elevator, the woman made her way to the front door, passing the manager on her way.
If you're looking for someone that can be of assistance.
Yes, a cat.
Okay, well, where did you last see it?
The manager and her perplexed guest ran about in search of the mysterious feline. After an hour of intense searching, the tired 2 returned to the hotel lobby. Walking back to her room, the woman struggled to remember the room number. Without surprise, the woman found her husband sleeping on the bed. The woman sat awake late into the night, distraught from the image of the cat. At 11 o'clock p.m., the man woke up to find her staring into the mirror, stroking her hair.
I want more hair. I need more hair. I need that cat with me, and I need more hair.
You look nice. Your hair is fine. Don't worry about that stuff.
I need it.
I need to make a call. Yes, hello. I'd like to speak to the doctor.
The husband was used to her ludicrous antics. His routine had worked for him in times before, a quiet mumble and a sip of beer. But this time it was too much. This wasn't the first time he had to contact the institute. The number was already programmed into his phone. He explained to the doctor how she refused to take her pills and that more drastic measures had to be taken.
Thank you. Bye.
Why are we here? We never even found that cat.
We'll be home shortly. Just try to relax.
Sitting in the waiting room, the American man tried to calm down his wife. She was anxious as always, and his peaceful mindset attempted to put her at ease.
I'm going to be your doctor today. So, do you have any idea as to why you're here today? Yeah, that's what they all do. You're going to have to come with